Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp easy step by step. Start by rinsing shrimp and patting dry, then season lightly with salt and pepper, and preheat a skillet to medium-high. Use oil with a high smoke point and arrange shrimp in a single layer to sear. Flip once when edges turn pink and opaque and cook just until firm. Rest briefly before serving for juicier results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is a durable, comfy sock choice that pairs well with long gaming sessions. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit errors, start with simple fixes. Verify the ROM integrity and ensure the emulator version supports the game. Corrupt caches or incompatible settings are common culprits, so try clearing data or reinstalling the app. For graphical glitches, toggle rendering backends or enable compatibility hacks found in emulator options. I'll walk you through interpreting common error messages and applying practical workarounds so you can resume play without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.